here. Actually, this is the second time that I came here. So, gusto talaga ng aking alaga na magpunta dito. Kaya ito, I'm gonna be taking some. And look, there's the bird. Yeah. Look. Wow.
Are they supposed to be out in the wild?
Yeah, they are supposed to be in, yeah.
Are they sure they're not supposed to be kept somewhere? She's so close.
Hello. Hi. How are ya? Look here. Look here. Look here. Oh, look here. You talk, lalab.
Colorful fish. We don't know what they're called, but they're cute.
Okay. Golden pintail barb. They call it golden pintail barb. Walk fast. Baka mamaya maitihan tayo. Yeah. Maitihan tayo sa mga ano ng pupuan tayo ng ano ng mga bird. Yep. What is that?
Huge. Holy moly, look at this guy.
What is that?
That's a lizard. I don't know.
I know. This is the ano. That one we're gonna be eating some, you know. Chameleon? Is it a chameleon? Yeah, it's a chameleon. My goodness. Those are Burmese python. Okay, it moves. Agoy, binokulol. Agoy, dili ko ana. I don't like ano. Agoy, I really gusto talaga ng alaga ko yung mga guinea pig. Mga ganyan. Diyos ko Lord. Okay. Ayan na. Matagal siya dyan. Talagang inaano niya talaga. Gusto niya yung mga guinea pigs. Oh, they're coming. You know that eel, baby? We can eat that one. Yeah. We can eat that kind of eel. Like, yes. It's yummy kaya yan. Huh? So they are hiding on the ano pala, no? They are hiding on the hole. He has life.
Yeah.
Right, di ba? It's moving, oh.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's moving.
It's a hermit crab.
Is it a hermit crab?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Hermit crab. I'm thinking that it was just a plain shell. Yeah, it's a hermit crab. Crab. Hermit crab there. I want me to buy that. Pero that kind of fish, baby, lami. Baya na, babe. Yeah.
It's so thin. It's like a straw.
Yeah, broad razor fish. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kanilang mga ano, no, sponge, no? Very colorful, no? The sponge is so colorful. And they are like floating up there, oh? Yeah, it's like glowing in the dark. Ah, that might be the one that when it's dark time in the sea, they're gonna glow and then since there are lights under the sea, right?
Yeah.
Good thing that they don't have the sounds. Because the first time that I was copyrighted. So that's why the
Do you know that the reason why they open and close their mouths is because that's how they breathe?
yeah, the gills.
No, but yeah,
To find some of them. But it's so there's some of it, oh. That's the lionfish. Yeah, we call it lionfish, baby.
Yeah, red line.
Diba?
Red line.
La, it's a lionfish because I saw it in the sea.
Oh, those like little feathers.
I saw that one in the sea.
The pufferfish looks so dumb.
Yeah.
Look at him go. Oh, it's
Look, oh. That's how they stick to the ano. Look at their heads.
so cute.
Now they look like a magnet, right?
Yeah.
That's why when they're gonna be on the wall,
It sticks to the
oh,
It's
look,
still good.
look, oh.
Stick to the wall. Stick to the wall.
They're so brainy, no?
I know, right?
They know how to ano, how to stick their head into the puffer fish. The puffer fish.
Look at him. Look
Oh my God! You swim so cute.
Oh, look. Looking
Wait.
straight at you. Oh, look.
Hello! Uy, your eyes is so ano. Ah, kadako. Kadako nimo. There.
Oh, there he is. There he goes.
Maybe they're gonna be ano. I think there's payment on it, right? There's the ano. There, oh. Okay, there. Pwede mo magkaon diya. You can order anything you want, eh? May mga pagkain din dito. There, oh. Then you can eat there. You can eat there and then the aquarium is there, oh. Look. I'm gonna make it ano, para klaro. Oh, the fishes is there. Ganyan pala talaga ang look, oh. You can really see their, ano, no? Diba? So here into the abyss that shine in the darkness. Here. It's ano kaya talaga? Ang ganda. Nag-glow sila lahat.